Hey leaders, hope you're doing amazing. This is Mark from Ivy Leads, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you some updates on our calendar setting, specifically how you can actually turn on the add guest feature. What I'm saying is that your guest or contact can actually add more than one person in the actual booking. So if I am going to book a call with you with using a specific calendar, I can actually add more than just myself. I can add two three people that I can invite to the actual booking, so that they also have that link and calendar invitation on their Google accounts. First, just log into your CRM and go to settings. From here you can navigate and find the calendar under business services and find the specific calendar you want to modify. So for example, in this video I'm going to change private meeting, for example. So click on the three dots on the right hand corner of your screen, click on edit, and from here it's going to open a new window where you can see there's a new format for the calendar setting. So don't be surprised with what you're gonna see. It's pretty much the same thing that we have before. It's just the UI or the interface looks a lot different, and then there's also some additional changes and inclusions in the actual setting, which one of which I'm going to show you right now. That will be under notifications and additional options, sorry, forms and payments. And from here you can find this setting, which right now is turned off. So if you turn this on, meaning you can actually enable a contact to add guests in the actual booking, so that they can also get those appointment reminders, get the same calendar invitation similar with what that person is getting. So let's turn this feature on. Once you do that, click on save, and there you have it. I'm going to share with you how it actually looks like, so that you can also see how your client or contact sees it on their end. So let me just get the link of that calendar. Okay, I'm gonna open a new tab. All right, so imagine, I am a client and I'm going to book a call with you on the 27th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Once I click on continue, not only I'm going to fill out my contact information, but you can see, at the bottom part, there's a button that they can add guests. So they can do multiple ones. So for example, I want to add one person, guest one, then I want to add more, oh, like this, you know. So what happens is that not only I'm booking call, for myself, I am also allowing these guests to actually receive that notification and then Google Calendar and everything, right? So you can do this to all your calendars. You just have to do the same exact steps, and from there, you'll be able to get those guests in your bookings. If you have any questions regarding the tutorial, let us know so we can provide you more clarity. If you want to learn more about your CRM, a specific thing that you've been wanting to understand, let us know so we can create that next video for you. Have a great week.